Keep it in the bowl, please. Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son, and today we are going to make
Dew Biscuits, Mom.
This recipe is from Ma's Cookin' Mountain Recipes from 1966.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
We need flour and butter and fruits and honey, eggs and sour cream. Now we have to break it. Alright, Mommy's breaking it. I'm stirring the flour and butter.
This recipe is to make when you are in a pinch for food. If you have flour, butter, and sugar, you can easily make this recipe. We have hit some crazy times right now, and I thought it would be nice if we could just go back to the basics of when life was super simple and easy.
We need to bring up our honey and egg and cream. And honey, round up. That sounds yummy, pretty. It sounds yummy.
Okay, let's add our honey. Pour it in. Yeah.
It smells yummy.
Ooh, it does smell really good.
Let's try some.
What do you think?
It's yummy.
Instead of rolling these biscuits out and cutting them, we are putting them into a tin. Gotta work faster before all the dough is gone.
One cookie. Okay. Bye.
Gotta go in the oven.
Okay.
Oh, these smell so good. Like, oh, okay. Well, I guess this one's all for me. These are great. They are very sweet, of course, because they have honey and sugar.
And then the custard.
And they got some here. So they're more like a honey cake, in my opinion, but they're really good. Great job. I think you really could put anything that you want in these, like raisins and nuts, dried cherries. Anything that you have in your cabinets right now, you could put in here. Cheese. So good. As always, you can find the recipe in the bottom of our video. And a link.
Thank you, Ganga.
Oh, you're welcome. Hope everybody is staying safe in their homes. Enjoy lots of baking videos from us. And we will see you next week.
Bye.
Goodbye.